making, sweetie?
I'm making cobras.
You're making what?
Cobras.
Oh, really? Wow. I can't wait to have some. No, you should really turn off your Mixmaster when you,
So move off the table on this way.
when you set it down, because you're going to end up with a mess all over the place. So who gave this to you, Natalie?
We're gonna make cookies with Mommy.
You can make cookies with Mommy? Who gave this to you? Who? Santa. Wow. Santa's pretty good, isn't he? Okay, you know, it helps when you turn that off before you stick it in there. You can set it all the way down and it'll go by itself. That fancy one that Mom likes.